Hey guys! Today we got a call from the Pennsylvania area. We are working on a 2009 BMW X5. Did you know an electric water pump is a modern electronically controlled component designed to circulate coolant in the vehicle's cooling system? Unlike traditional mechanical pumps driven by the engine belt, an electric water pump is powered by an electric motor. This allows for the precise control of coolant flow and temperature regulation, enhancing sufficient and performance. The electric water pump is a crucial for maintaining the engine at an optimal temperature, ensuring the optimal combustion and preventing overheating. Were we around your area? Drop a comment and let us know what part of the Tri-State area you're from. Are you from the Jersey area, the Connecticut area, or the Pennsylvania area? Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time and anywhere. We're currently working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We work on brakes, air conditioning, alternator, diagnostic services, engines, you name it, we fix it. Need help replacing your accessories? Give us a call. Is your check engine light on? Give us a call. We're a call away from putting you back on the road. 646-546-700.